Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Big LT, and we got a new addition to this ceiling fan here, which I literally forgot the name of because, to be honest, the fan is kind of forgettable, but still pretty cool. It blows it out of wind. Alright, let's stop the stupid voice and get serious. Pumpkin! So, my mom, or my dad, well, my parents, they would, in the morning, one of them will usually turn on the light. I think my mom is usually the one to turn on the light, maybe, I don't know. So that means they would have to kind of stand up and just reach over to the light switch. So, yeah, they'll have to get out of bed. And they got tired of it, or I guess my mom did. So she tied the random shoelace that was laying around the room onto the switch for the light. And I think I want to sneeze. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's just a normal shoe tie. And then I also tied a little hairband onto the end of it for decoration. Doesn't serve any purpose. And it also stretches too, obviously. So yeah, I think it's pretty nice, pretty cool how this happened. At first I thought this was like a little joke pulled by my dad, but it's not. I knew it. I was going to sneeze. So yeah, shoelace. Oh come on. There. All right.